Hi, my name is Christy and I'm a product manager for DEWALT Combo Kits. I'm here today to walk you through our DCK277C2, our 20-volt max lithium-ion brushless drill and impact driver combo kit. If you need to stock up your toolbox or replace a number of older tools, then combo kits are the way to go. They let you buy several tools at a savings versus purchasing each tool individually. This kit includes a drill and an impact driver, which are the two tools most every pro needs. Both tools feature a DEWALT brushless motor that generates more power, delivers more runtime, and has a longer motor life in comparison to DEWALT 18-volt NiCad brush motors. This kit also includes two 20-volt max batteries, a charger, and all of these products do fit in the included bag. Be sure to check out more of our 20-volt max tools, our fastest growing system, and don't forget your DEWALT accessories. Thanks for watching and have a great day.